Sup witches, this is Eisen. Today is a stupid video. It's gonna be a full face of eyeshadows. Not gonna be high quality stuff, but this is all the stuff that I'm panning currently. I've just been using the same makeup products for years. It's all just Walmart stuff from the clearance to help me along in my panning journey before my Jeffree Star stuff gets here. Because I can't just give it away or whatever. I gotta finish a makeup product for once in my life. I mean, I don't think I've ever used an eyeshadow palette at all. I had to get rid of my last ones. I used to have it freaking 9 years old or something because I wasn't feeling safe with the ingredients. That's literally it. I don't use up products. I don't think anybody really does unless you spend years with them. Alright, we're just gonna pretend that's dry. Brush time. So I don't usually do a full face, ever. This foundation is for Nazis. I'm just gonna warm myself up by doing the actual eyeshadow part, which is gonna look bad because these colors don't look very good on me. They're just really effing dark and just blue. And I mean, I wish I could look better wearing that, but it just makes me look like the 15-year-old emo I once was. I can't really see. I don't want to just shove my face into the frickin' mirror because that's gonna make the camera angle bad. Currently what this is just boxes of stuff that I found in the basement that I keep in my room. So I guess we'll do some contouring BS or something. I'm gonna use the Walmart palette because those are the ones I'm trying to pan. This one, the fallout on this is incredible. This one's kind of a normal shade. I know somebody's gonna point this out that I'm using a foundation brush after I said I don't wear foundation. That is because I just own it. I guess I'll cover my whole face in this or something. I don't know how this works. I mean, what the frick. Obviously, this is one of my billionth videos that's not meant to be planned out because nothing decent creatively ever is. So I'm just going for it. This concealer, I guess. I gotta cover those areas most horrendous. Suppose this will be the contouring. Gotta love this color that says, "I'm related to Satan, homie." I don't even contour anymore. Obviously, everybody who's seen my most recent trans makeup video will know that, but it's the only way I can use up all this makeup. This is kind of turning out to be a look, though. I mean, I don't think I have the facial structure to pull off a bunch of red around my eye without looking like some kind of angry emo creature, but maybe this could be a little Christmas look. I should have used this as blush. I don't wiggle my tongue. I don't wiggle my tongue at all. Do a little bit of highlight with this yellow color. Oh, just hit pan. Look at that. Frickin' look at that. This is not a tongue wiggle. Maybe I can do more definition or whatever the frick this one's supposed to be. Okay, watch this. We're going for a trans guy look. Holy frick. Wow, okay. If this doesn't look like a First Nations artwork, I don't know what does. What the frick? I cannot deal with this. That's such an oof. Holy frick. It's not coming off. Wow, gotta love that the red in my skin from scrubbing it so hard matches the rest around my eye. Wow, delicious. Let's just cover that up. Good old pink concealer. It's a little slurp. Now for more definition, part 2. It actually looks kind of freaking good now. I mean, I would never wear this, but I feel like there's somebody out there that would. Ah. Should I do the mustache? I don't want to do the mustache, but how else am I going to get this product off of here? Dislike. I'll just give myself a whole Dobby vanity thing here. Like, ooh yeah. I'm just gonna draw on my beard with frickin' eyeliner or something. Didn't he do that? Because I feel like he did that. Oh, that looks great. This is about to make me become a drag king. Dorian and Electra, the house. Wow. Let's do a little pencil thin douchebag beard. I've always wanted one of those. Once I can grow full facial hair, that's what I'm gonna do. I should do this to play a character, because that looks good. It just works. I mean, I can't effing see, so it's not gonna be very thick boy good. This is literally Goof 100. Actually looks good. I mean, it doesn't look like me, obviously, because I'm not frickin' homo, but if I were to want a big, long douchebag beard or something, that would be me. It's your boy, douchebag man. Running around in my douchebag van. Still feel like there needs to be a blush, but I don't have the shade for it. Unless we want to do a little blue look. I mean, blue look. We gotta do the blue look. I don't know how to do blush, because I don't wear it. I used to wear it when I was 9. I want to again though. When I was filming my Fluent of Years, I just couldn't help but think, this looks so good on me right now. Not necessarily the whole 12-year-old girl aesthetic that I had to do for the film, but, you know, the most of it. Wow. This is literally testosterone level 100. Obviously you can't just go with a blue blush and not redo the highlight. Diamond shining on me like, yeah. This is such a look. This is gonna make me become a freaking drag king. And then people see me backstage and say, ooh, young lady, I love you in this performance. And I'm gonna say, no, you did not. Because that isn't me. The reveal. Wow. This brings me discomfort. Wow. Yeah, I want a refund. I want a refund on testosterone if it does this to me. Let's see it in some good lighting. Thick oof. I look like a freaking Christmas present. I look like a partially unwrapped little creature. I mean, it's not that bad of a look, but yeah, I never want to be that masculine. Wow, that's sobering, I guess. The highlight though, kind of snatched for something that I probably paid about $5 for. Not gonna lie. Good old Wet n Wild supplying us with the most blinding highlighters since I was created, because I'm a bright spirit in this life. Look at this man. Who the frick is this man? I don't want to know. This man makes me uncomfortable. Wow. Thick epic. I'm gonna see if I can take this off. Diamond shining on me like, yeah. I'm not even gonna attempt to remove that with a makeup remover. I literally look like a frickin' First Nations legend, which, not gonna lie, I'd like to see more of their stories and stuff, because once you pass through elementary school and nobody really tells you any more of the stories, which is kind of not lit, because I like hearing about other cultures. Technically, it's not even another culture, because they frickin' lived here first. Not to get political or anything. It is an ice between eyeliner makeup tutorial, so you get what you get. All my political opinions. Wow. So, I had very mixed feelings about that. This is the most makeup remover I've ever used. I just don't think I could ever go walking around with a full beard like that. That just put me at man 100 and I'm man 25 of my full man potential. So not exactly man-ant, but not man some. This is gonna be a great video. I am surprised by myself. Your boy's growing up, woo. So I guess I have to actually wash my makeup brushes now. Eyes out.